Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we will see how to use text to speech on Instagram Reels. So let's begin. For this, all you have to do is open your Instagram app, and on the bottom you will see plus icon. Click on it and go to the Reels section. Now choose the video you want to upload as a reel and then tap on next button. Again, click on the next, which is on the top, and you will see the font icon on the top. Click on the font icon and write the text of your choice. Once you write the text, on the bottom you will see the text that you have written. Just click on it and you can simply adjust the length of your text by sliding the bar like this. And if available in your country, you'll also see the voice button from where you can choose the voice of your preference, as there are varieties of voice of AI that you can use to convert your text to speech on the reels. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. If you have got any queries or recommendations, feel free to reach out to us through the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, have a good time.